Fuck!
Where's the pool?
The apartment's right there.
Oh.
Yes, bye.
Oh, let's go. Let's ride our BMX bikes over there.
Our BMX bikes? We can totally get chicks on BMX bikes.
You wanna do it?
They're trying to get me.
These guys coming with us? I seen you. You were looking his bike up and down.
See what kind of stem that was.
He was looking at your stem. How do you feel about that?
Hey, Keegan.
That is a nice stem.
Very-
Where are we taking these BMX machines?
We're gonna go to that pool right over
Yeah,
here.
there's chicks.
What's up, everybody? The Armenians YouTube channel, sponsored by Rock. Today is Sport Bike Sunday. I'm here with Black Ghost and Fireguy 24. We're gonna hit some twisties and basically enjoy the weather. It's actually pretty decent out here right now. As long as we keep moving, we don't hit any traffic. So today's topic of discussion is going to be what's the best first bike to buy. The best first motorcycle to buy. In my opinion, the best first motorcycle would be a 600cc sport bike. Alright, okay. Mr. Black Ghost here is on a GSXR 750. I started out on a 1999 Suzuki SV650 as my first street bike. I purchased it brand new from the dealership when I was 19 years old. And that was my first sport bike. It's actually a naked sport bike. But I rode the hell out of that bike and I sold it for a 2001 Yamaha R6, and then I rode the piss out of that bike and I traded that in for a 2002 R1. And after that I've had many different bikes, 1600s. If you have background in riding dirt bikes and stuff like that when you were younger, then a 600 would be perfect for you. I wouldn't really waste the time with a 250 at all. That's just way too small of a bike. If you've never ridden a dirt bike in your entire life, and you've never ridden any type of motorcycle or motor-powered vehicle or anything that requires you to wear a helmet and sit on top of it, then yeah, get a Ninja 250. Look at these rain clouds right here. We're riding straight into it. We had some tornadoes a couple weeks ago up here in Oklahoma, which is about 3 hours north from where I am right now. That little town that got hit by the tornadoes, forgot the name of it off the top of my head, but they're not too far from here. And we've been having some really weird weather here lately. Just I don't see a stop sign there, so okay, just gonna haul ass. Yeah, just the weather has been just popping in and out. It's been downpouring, and then the sun's been out, and it's been hot, and then it cools down, and then it warms up, and then it gets humid. I put 93 Premium in the mothership because I'm gangster as fuck. Black Ghost.
Oh, you got a YouTube channel? Can I say hi to my mom?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Black Ghost is over there having a smoky treat. This smoky. Black Ghost and Fireguy in the house. Oh! Alright, we're going to hit some of these roads up here. It's a nice little twisty ride. As you can see, there are other sport bike machines on this road. That's an old Ninja right there. It's like a Ninja ZX-7R. And it's raining right now. Alright, we're at Harley Fest over here. Big Slicks. Westminster, Texas. This is a little place we like to call Big Slicks Bar and Grill. Westminster, Texas. Black Ghost. Fireguy 24. We're gonna make a quick pit stop over here. I'm gonna hit a few of these clover leaves over here. Work on my right hand turns. Soda bottle. Oops. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna wrap up this moto vlog. Just separated from Fireguy and Black Ghost, and we're calling it a day. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you see this video.